Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade our from original LED strip to our newest LED strip called LSR series. The part number this kit comes with one 6-pin pigtail connectors, drivers, and LED strip already mounted L-shaped reflectors. The part number is LSR 2306511 LED 212RR. Okay. So let's take a look at the screen for a second. It's quite easy to upgrade. This is made by Mitsubishi. The screen part number is AA104VH01. Okay, it's original. It has 640 by 480 resolution. The original LED was here. Okay, it's here. So you need to, in order to remove it, it's quite easy. You need to remove these 3 tiny Phillips screws. You unscrew it and pull out. So basically just like this. You unscrew it. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Oops. After you remove the screw, basically you see this here, you push it out. You see this? Okay. So this one is two strings, small LEDs. Okay, here's ours. So before you use, you should remove this blue cover tips, or if you want you can leave it as is. This is the protective films. The blue really tiny one, you see this? Just pull out. Basically you just stick right in, then you're done. So you can just mount it anyway, but it's a little bit longer for this case. You can either cut it or you can just leave it as is, because if you know, just mount right back. But if that's too long, the option you could do is you cut off a little bit, and here's what I would like to do. Just want to show you all the options. This relief thing, cut. Just use any wire cutter or scissor. It's really thin aluminum. And on this end, I would like to cut a little bit too. I'll show you why. And I'm going to bend a little bit. So that way, I'll show you why. Okay, see that? Cut off a little bit, bend a little bit here, and stick right in. The reason I want to bend is that I want to make a hook. So that way, I'm gonna make it mount it really nicely. You see this? Just bend it, make a hook. And then of course, if you want to, you can add a tape on it. It's up to you. But I always recommend add a tape to it. Okay, this end is connected to drivers. Either end is good. So let's take a look, see what's different. I have a module that we use to test this TTF interface. Here, the wire. Well, you can stick to any way you want to. When you purchase it, we put the tip on it, double-sided tip, we just peel it off. Okay, so let's fire up my signal generators. Okay, I'm not sure which one is the top one, but alright, let's take a look, see the difference. The original screen, based on its part number and specification, you say has 800 nits. So using a special drivers. Can you see it? Yep. Pretty bright. So let's measure it. See, same thing, same meters that I used to measure it. Just takes a few minutes to upgrade. So let me see the measurements. can you see 1591, 1591 nits, so almost double. Again, pretty consistent. 1595, $1586. So it's almost about 1600 nits by simply just upgrading. You know, the reason we have this LSR series created, designed, because some of this LED strips, when the LED has bad or the driver has bad, then you're gonna have a hard time to find it. So basically, just for this kit, you can see it just slides right back, and this one mount anywhere. The only thing you need to do is just apply your existing LED wire harness to it. When you purchase this kit, it comes with the one 6-pin pigtail. Red is for the in, black is for the power ground, and white is for adjustment. Usually no connections. Yellow is quite important, and you need to connect between 3 to 5 volts. In case your inverter does not have a 5 volts or enable, there's a really tiny jumper we call JP5. You just short it out and just connect the red, positive, negative to it. That's it. Thank you for watching.